Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to patch boot.img file with Magisk to root our Android mobile. It works for both stock and custom ROMs, and make sure there is some guide available for your mobile on the internet, whether it can be rooted or not. When you are sure about this, you can proceed with this video. And root is not required for patching the boot image. For flashing in the Fastboot mode, you have this command, and in the custom recovery, you can directly flash it. So first of all, we have to install Magisk. Find this application from the description, download it and install it. I have already installed it. Now you go to your Android ROM, whether it is custom or stock, open it up, and you will find the boot.img file here or somewhere inside these folders. So look for it, copy the boot image and paste it somewhere in the Android mobile. Now we have this boot image. Okay, now let me open up my Magisk Manager. Here it is. Now in front of the Magisk, you see this install button. Just click on it. Now you have to untick this recovery mode. Alright, this should not be ticked. Now click on next. Now here you have to click on this first button, select a patch file. Now it will open up your file manager to select the boot.img file. So just browse for it. So my file is here in this folder. Open it up by just clicking on it. And now you have selected the boot image, so we have to click on let's go. Click on it, and now it is going to patch the boot image. Just wait for it. And now you can see the location of the output file. It is in the downloads folder, right? Magisk patched. Remember this name. Now let us go back. And let me open the file manager. Let's go into the downloads directory. And here we have the file. Let me copy it into this location where we have our boot image. Now, the below one is the patched boot image with Magisk. If you flash this .img file, you will be having a rooted Android mobile. And as I already told you, make sure you check on the internet about your mobile that whether it can be rooted or not. Then only you have to flash this patched Magisk boot image. And sometimes you may need some extra files to be flashed before flashing this boot.img patched Magisk image, like VB Meta and unlocking your bootloader. You will get all of these files in the rooting guide of your Android mobile. Just go and search the internet about it. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.